Okay, so I'm going to be using an empty coconut oil bottle and the BTS and a little fan art that I had. My friend gave this to me. It's a banner, it's a little banner thing. It's so cute. And then I had like these leftover scraps that I wanted to use from old hair stuff to dazzle it up. And I'm also gonna be using a glue gun. So I have all my stuff. So let's get started. Now that my container is completely see-through, we're going to continue on with gluing up the sides, the long lengths of the banner, and we're going to fold that, and to make sure that it's completely sealed, we're going to press on it firmly. So I'm just checking before I add the hot glue. Okay, I did the same thing for the other side now, making sure that it's both firmly. Now, if I have any like little air bubbles, I'll just hot glue them just to make sure that all they're on. I'm just cautious with it because the hot glue did burn me a couple times, so I have to be careful. Now I'm just measuring it around the cup to make sure that it fits like firmly, it stands and everything. Okay, so now I'm hot gluing the container, being very careful, being very, firm on the container to make sure that it stays still while I'm going in a straight line. Okay, so now I'm placing the end of the banner to the hot glue and just pressing firmly on it. Okay, so now I'm just rolling this up all the way up until the end of the banner. Okay, so now I'm just checking before I add the hot glue to make sure I know where I want it to be placed. Now I'm just taking the ends to lay them flat on the container. Okay, so I took the gold hair little string thing and I just wrapped it around to make it look more aesthetic looking. For the top, we're going to be using that purple sheer sheet that I had earlier, and I'm just going to be cutting it about 3 fingers down from the top. By putting it on the top, I'm just making sure that it fits around the container nicely, and I'm about to hot glue around the whole area and try to make it stick around, kind of come out, make it look a little unorganized. Doesn't have to look perfect. So I'm going to be putting this photo card of V on there. Okay, so I found a good place for that, and it's right on top of his name. Okay, so now I'm just checking before I add the hot glue. And that's what I'm just going to be doing right here. putting it all around in about 3 strips of hot glue in the middle of the picture so it sticks properly. Okay, now for the final results. Guys, you see it? It looks so cute. And the best part of it is at the end, it's still like you're able to hold them so you can just pick these up and go. If you gotta go ahead and do your makeup somewhere real quick. Just make sure the top is really secured with hot glue just so if it comes off. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this week's video. Thank you. See you later. Bye.